Why do entity relationship diagrams, or ER diagrams, hold such a critical role in the functioning of a database management system, or DBMs? To unravel this, we dive deep into the realm of ER diagrams and their notation. Every complex system needs a method to visualize its processes and connections. In a DBMS, ER diagrams serve this purpose. They act as a blueprint, illustrating how entities relate to each other within the system. But how can we decode these diagrams? The key lies in understanding the notation used. Firstly, we have entities. Entities are the objects or concepts that exist independently and hold significance in a system. They are represented by rectangles. Take, for example, a library system. Book, librarian, reader. These are all entities. Secondly, attributes, the properties that define the characteristics of entities, are depicted by ovals. In our library example, a book entity may have attributes like title, author, publication year. The librarian entity may have attributes like name, employee ID, shift timing. Thirdly, we have relationships, which are the associations among two or more entities. These are represented by diamonds. In our library system, issues could be a relationship connecting the librarian, reader, and book entities. We also have a special type of attribute known as a key attribute, signified by an oval with an underline. It uniquely identifies each instance of an entity. For instance, employee ID could be a key attribute for the librarian entity. Next, we have multi-valued attributes, depicted by double ovals. They are attributes that can have more than one value for a given entity. For instance, contact numbers could be a multi-valued attribute for a reader. Lastly, we have derived attributes shown as dashed ovals. These are attributes whose values are calculated from other attributes. Age could be a derived attribute for a reader, calculated from the date of birth attribute. In summary, ER diagram notation is a crucial tool in understanding and designing database systems. Entities, represented by rectangles, are the objects of significance in the system. Attributes shown as ovals define the properties of these entities. Relationships, depicted as diamonds, illustrate the associations between entities. Specialized attributes such as key attributes, multi-valued attributes, and derived attributes provide further information about the entities. Remember, a well-designed ER diagram with correctly used notation can make the process of database design and management much more efficient. It's the roadmap that helps navigate the complex terrain of a DBMS. So always take the time to understand and use ER diagram notation correctly. It's more than just shapes and lines. It's a language that communicates the structure of your database system.